Today, instead of going to do something, Doren and I decided to stay home and clean. And we've been wanting to actually steam clean some things. So we're steam cleaning our couch, we're steam cleaning our mattresses, our car, the inside of our car. Hopefully we get to that in time, but it's gonna be good. I like cleaning, I like doing housework.
So Teagan was given a bike, but it's got a little bit of rust on it. It's an older bike. It's just minimal damage that can be cleaned up, so that's what we're doing. What are you doing, Teagan? Yeah?
I'm moving. He's over there. See?
Yeah, I like doing tasks like these with Teagan because I know she's small and she's not technically helping all that much, but when it comes down to it, she's, you know, spending time with Dad and she's learning how to do things, you know, and having fun doing them. Like, she plays in the bubbles, I work on a bike.
Freeway, memory, flow. Sit a while, don't be afraid. Turn on the light, open your mind. Let love in and tears shine. Ice cream, ice cream.
We are working on some blog stuff right now, and I'm actually filling out the AdSense stuff right now. And we are going to leave in just a little bit. Teagan has a dentist appointment, actually. So we just got to the dentist, and we're gonna see how it goes. I know. I think I'm more stressed out and worried than she is. So I'm not gonna take the camera in, so we'll see what happens. Jump, jump, jump. So we're leaving the dentist now. Come on. We're leaving the dentist. You ready to go? Going to the dentist, even if it is a positive experience, like, that's a lot for a kid. Don't you think, Teagan? Don't you think? So. Where are you? Where are you? You up in the tree? No. Are you over on the chairs? No. There you are. Come on, you. Are you helping Mama?
She thinks it's toothpaste and keeps asking for it to be put on her toothbrush.
I don't need this green brush.
She just wants to use her new toothbrush.
Yeah, Jojo?
Are you like?
Jojo?
Are you Jojo? Okay. Go. Yeah.
We are on our way to the Naples Blues, Brews, and Barbecue Festival, I guess, downtown in TinCity. So we're out walking. Got Teagan in the stroller, and so like half a mile, something like that.
It is way further than half a mile.
Maybe a mile, who knows. So we're over by the Bayfront condos right now. There we go. So it's really pretty because you have all the docks all around you, and you have all the pretty condos all here. So it's pretty nice. Let's see. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Ah! So we're on our way back. We stopped off at IHOP, got some food. Now we're headed back. It's a beautiful evening out right now.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's supposedly gonna be 60 tonight, which is like unheard of at this time, and it's been like almost 100% humidity the past like couple days. It's been miserable. We definitely picked a good night to get out and walk.
So all in all, the Blues, Brews, and Barbecue was interesting. I think that the Blues, the music was good.
Yeah, the music was actually very impressive.
Yeah, I think all in all, I was expecting something a little bit more, where it was pretty much just the inside vendors or something like outside selling their stuff, and then just a few little pop-up shops.
Thanks so much guys for watching. We come out with a video every week, and you can subscribe to our channel below. Subscribe below, guys.
Click the link below, click subscribe for all of our Wednesday videos.